all right. Well, sit down, shit.
Yeah, they up the front.
We ain't got nothing else to do. I can be wrong. I'm just saying, let me put the emergency brake on.
This car right here could have went.
Yeah.
That car could have went to Bishop's, couldn't it? That car could have went to Bishop's, couldn't it?
Title. Title on the ticket.
Of course. Flip it all the way over, Dusty, backwards. Yeah, Jordan, get behind it so we can... Oh, wait a minute. I wouldn't be under there. Nuh-uh. Get out from under there.